Hello everybody. We are back in full read and um, yeah. So, so, um, we're gonna learn about lights. So, I would like to give out everybody a disclaimer. We are going to have a test next week. So I will send you guys the official book, and you guys can review it before you guys take the test. I will also send you guys grade 3 if there are any grade 3 stuff in there as well. So now we are going to learn about light and how we see things. So now, can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me what these sources of light? Where does the light come from? Does it come from a source of fuel? Let's see. Where does the light come from here? Tell me, where does the light come from here? This candle. Is it this wax? Can anybody tell me where does the light come from? Let's all use our mics today. You guys think? Wait, am I still sharing? Wait, you guys think that the source of light is this wax? Well, it is. Now, can anybody tell me the source of light for this gas container or for this light? Well, it's a gas container. Now, how do you guys think that you are able to see your teacher in class? Is it because of light? How are you guys able to see your teacher? Is it because of light? Well, yeah, it is because of light. You can see because of light. Light is very important. So now, now, how do we know something is a source of light? We can always try to All right. So, how can we see things that are not sources of light? We could do something like a flashlight. A flashlight creates its own photons and lets us see what is inside. For example, you can see that normally you cannot see what is inside this box. But because of the flashlight, now we can see, oh, there is light. This is a coin. So now, all right. So yeah, light is really important for us to see. So now we are going to do, as you can see, can anybody name me a source of light in this image? Can anybody tell me a source of light in this image? Anybody? Can anybody tell me where does the light come from in this image? Anybody?
The sun?
Yes, it is the sun. The sun is why you can see the light. See, you can always see the light from the sun. Boom, boom. And now, can anybody describe what does the light travel in? Does it travel straight, bent, or curve a little bit, or what? How does the light move? Is it just straight?
It goes straight.
Yes, it goes straight. Now, can light travel around corners? Can anybody tell me? Can light travel around corners?
Yes, it can.
Yes, it can.
No.
All right. Or is it?
Out.
Now, now, you can see in pictures that lights travel in straight lines. However, you need to prove that this is true. Now you need to get some proof. So, know that light travels in a straight line. You can always use a tube and then you put it on your laptop. Light now that is proves that light moves straight.
But it's from Leo.
Now, light rays. As you can see, let's look again at the photographs with the light traveling from the sun and the photoprojector. In both photographs, you can see the light is traveling in straight lines. And as you can see, each narrow beam here, right? Can you tell me, what is this narrow beam for? It is in the book. What is this narrow beam? Can anybody tell me what this beam is?
Is light?
Yes, but what is it known as? What is a narrow beam of light called as? Oh, what is it known as? Can anybody tell me that answer? What is this line known as?
Why?
Yes, but what is this? What is that? What is the thing that I just underlined?
Array.
Yes, it is a ray. These are light rays, and they are traveling from the source of light. So everything that you see right now. So, can everybody see my face? I hopefully yes.
What?
So this lantern, is such. Oh, bro. This lantern that you are currently seeing has a lot of lights. A lot of light rays. A lot of light rays are going to my computer. All right, that is how light rays are transmitted. They go to your computer. Yeah, this is a really risky decision because the computer tries to work with the light rays and then it just fails. So yeah, it is a ray. It is known as a ray. So now we can always have a ray diagram. So can anybody tell me? Can anybody give me an example of a ray diagram with this image? Using this image, can anybody tell me what a ray diagram is? Can anybody tell me? Can everybody tell me what this ray diagram is for?
It's for people reading books.
Yes, but what is it for? What is the ray diagram used for? What does it represent? What does this
represent? Light.
Well, it is known as to show how light moves. For example, you move here and then it reflects the ray and it comes to your eye. Now, we're drawing an arrowhead to show the direction of the light ray, and also that the light ray is moving. So there are a bunch of ways that a light ray could move, but this is one way. Another way could just be this, or it could just be this. There's a lot of ways that a light ray could do. We just draw the one that
Yeah. Dạ, cho nó đi ngủ không? What are these?
Yeah, good job, y'all who understood what this is. This is kind of hard to understand.
Yeah.
All right, so imagine a light ray hit from the lamp hits an object such as a book. This light ray is another ray. Now, these light rays bounce or reflect off the book. These are known as reflected rays. Reflected rays are rays that bounce off the book. Yeah. So now let's revisit the coin. Now let's revisit this model. Can anybody tell me how does the light move here? How does the light move here? I'll give you guys a hint. The first part is from here to here. Now, can anybody tell me the second part? Can anybody draw me the second part? Anybody? Anybody willing to draw me the second part of this image?
I think the thing is the light is translating to another diagonal. So that means the light the flashlight.
Where does this angle go to? Where does it go to? It reflects, but where? Does the light hit here? Does the light go to her eye? Or does the light bounce back to the
No, it doesn't bounce back. Light actually shows where it's like dark flashlight and the light bulb will make it more lighter. So that means the eye can see it.
Yes, so it goes to the eye, right?
Yes.
Correct. Yes, it goes to the eye. Good job. Let's go. It is correct. It goes to your eye. As you see, that's the correct answer. It goes from here to here. Why is it not loading? So yeah, you guys have just got that correct. Now, we are not going to have time to draw ray diagrams because we don't have many people, but you guys could do it at home. You guys could do many of these experiments at home actually, because now light reflects off different surfaces. So, as you can see, let's talk about mirrors. All right. We know that light reflects off an object. We see the object. However, some surfaces, the top layer, right, are much better at reflecting light than others. So, a mirror is a really good way to reflect light because it has a smooth, shiny surface, and you could mirror. And as you can see, you are basically looking at a mirrored version of yourself. Yeah. So that is what a mirrored version of yourself would look like. Now, when you see your face in the mirror, you are seeing like your face you are reflecting to. So basically, when you're looking at a mirror, you're basically looking at yourself. That's why whenever you're looking at yourself in the mirror, you're like, wait, is that me? Yeah, that is you.
It's not like the same as the light. Like when you see in the mirror and the light, means people see on the mirror, they see themselves. But on the mirror, and the light means, they will just transfer to another diagonal.
Yeah, it just goes back to you. Yes, exactly. Like this is not a copy of you. This is just a version of you that is reflected on the mirror that you guys can see. That's how a mirror works. A mirror works by reflecting light off and reflecting light from the surface and going to your eyes. This chapter is actually really, really easy, but I'm going through the whole chapter. And it's also really, really short. So, where have you got mirrors at home? Can anybody tell me? And do you use what?
Chưa. Mẹ lấy cho con coi.
In the bathroom, of course.
Yep, in the bathroom you would have a mirror. And now you can see a wide range of ways that people are using mirrors. Let's see. Can anybody tell me what this person is using the mirror for?
To shine on the teeth.
Yes. This mirror.
Teeth is the broken part.
Using the mirror to see the teeth, that's cavity. Because when you like get a magnifying glass, it's different kind of glass. So that means if that's mirror, that makes the teeth as something that's bigger. So that means they use that for an instruction.
Now, what about this glass? What is this used for?
To show who's behind the car, and also showing who is better.
It's also to show what.
Hey, what about the final one? What about this? Why do people need mirrors for this one? Who needs mirrors here?
Who is it? I think to direct a camera.
Nope. Wow, actually, you guys have you ever went to a store and you have a mirror on the fashion store? Well, that's so that everybody can look at themselves with the new clothes. That's a marketing strategy. That's not even a marketing strategy, actually.
Oh, what's that in the store? Oh.
Now, let's see. Mirror could see himself because it is a mirror. But this guy, Marcus, couldn't because it's a piece of wood. This guy's dumber than a bag of rocks. What?
Yeah, and I think that is the most boring board of rocks in the world. That is the boring board in the world. Boring.
All objects reflect or absorb light. For example, a piece of paper is smooth and flat, but the piece of paper, however, as you can see, a piece of paper below looks something like this. This is what a piece of paper looks like under a microscope. Can everybody see what a piece of paper looks like? See? It is made by a lot of fibers. That is what a piece of paper is seen under a microscope. So, and then every color. Now, you can see that there's a lot of bumps on the piece of paper. Well, that's because the surface is not 100% smooth. Tracks. Can't see. I know.
Ra nào sự với tính người khác giờ.
So guys, should we do the workbook or should we continue?
Yeah, we should do the workbook fast.
Let's go to the workbook. All right.
Yes.
Oops. All right. Can anybody name me the source of light in this image?
Yeah. The sun, of course.
Yes, it is the sun. Now,
It's gray in here.
now, light travels from the
Sun.
to the palm tree. Yes, the light
Make energy.
The light doesn't make energy. What does it do? What does the light do when it bends out like this?
Is bend.
No, it reflects. And into errands, what does the light do when it reaches to some bodies?
Eyes.
Yes, eyes. This is how Aaron. This is how Aaron. Wait. Yeah. This is how Aaron sees the palm tree, the sun. When it's had
Mẹ
the
con biết rồi mẹ, tự nhiên con không có bị cái lỗi sai đó đâu.
yeah, it's C, it's C. Good job. Now, Miss Leong is doing, and she named the light source.
I think it's a lamp.
The light
Lamp.
source
Lamp.
is a lamp.
A lamp. Now, what is Miss
A
Leong?
light bulb.
A light bulb.
No, what is
Wait,
Miss Leong?
It's a needle. It's a needle. A thread in a needle.
Needle. Small needle. Tiny.
A
Yep.
needle. Needle. A needle.
Needle.
Sometimes Mistress Leong sits outside her garden in the morning and sews. Describe how she sees her sewing.
He's trying to take the needle into the hole.
Yeah. She's trying to do that.
Now, so now, Zara is looking for a box of books. She thinks the box is in the cupboard. However, it is so dark. So, what is the object that Zara is trying to see?
A cupboard.
Box of
Sarah's trying to see a cupboard.
A box.
a
Why
box of
can't Zara see this box?
because it's dark and there's no light.
Yes, it's too dark. Correct. Wow.
Too
the
dark.
way is long.
I think too dark makes her blind.
No.
She's
too
not
dark is
blind.
like that. What
No,
was
too dark.
Too
Too dark. You cannot see anything. At night you can see anything, and it's dark.
You can't see anything at the night.
Yeah,
Yeah.
adding light helps.
They help you to see.
Now, how can Zara see? Now,
Wait, the light is missing E.
no, you don't have light in light. No, you don't have an E in light. Now, light travels in a straight line. Sophia and Zara have a flexible plastic tube and flashlight, completely sensitive and how they can use these things to prove that light travels in straight lines. So, Sophia shines What's the light source?
I
I don't understand.
What is this?
It's a beam. That's a beam.
That's a flashlight. Yes.
That's a
What's the
flashlight.
next one?
It's a flashlight.
Ooh.
Zara can see the light. That is right. Now, Sophia.
Time to square.
Whatever. It's
Beam.
the light moves in straight lines.
A beam?
He literally just did this. All right. The source of light is the sun, right?
Yeah.
So here. Now, right back to his eyes. Here. Or it goes
What?
there's a lot of other ways that he could see the palm tree. Like this. Or like this. Or even this.
Too many
It's
lines.
going straight and bend to your eye. Refresh your eye. Oopsie.
Yeah, there's a million here.
Oh,
This one is this one.
There's a lot of ways to get to the palm tree. A lot.
Understand what you're trying.
crazy
It's
amount of
going crazy.
heat hitting the palm tree and also hitting us.
I can help you.
A crazy amount of
There and right here. Right up. Oops. Trip.
Yeah.
This
There's
one
infinite amount of
and
ways that you can
trip.
see. Now,
They're going
Rabah and Kyle are
crazy.
trying to walk.
Hey, what's that?
Yeah.
Go for
Source of light
Oh.
is advanced.
Yeah. And let's go up with the puppies.
Hero man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So now, on this picture, draw a ray to show how much don't see her needle. Can anybody tell me how she can see a needle? I'll give you guys a hint.
The light.
And then now, yeah. Now, how does it get to her eyes? Like this. This is how she can see.
Reflecting.
Can help you. Vanishing pen. Come up. Yeah. Oh. There. There goes your eye.
All right. So yeah, the ray is like this.
Like that?
Nope. This is block.
That is correct. That is very funny though. You can see the can,
This and then.
see the can using that method. That is really funny. You can always see the, yeah, that is one method. Another ray could be, well, this.
Then bounce here and bounce there and bounce to the eye. Oh,
Yeah,
no,
that
that's
is
not
correct. Now, another way is to do this.
Then here and right to the eye. There.
Oh.
And that.
Yeah, correct. You guys are getting the hang of it. You guys are drawing a lot of rays. So now,
Ding, ding, ding.
light reflects off of the surfaces. So, Zara's looking at face. And can anybody tell me the surface of the mirror? Is it dull, shiny, bumpy, or smooth? Is it dull?
No, it's smooth.
Yes, it is smooth. Is it shiny?
Yes.
Yay!
Now, what name? All right. Complete the sentence to explain how Zara can see a place in her face in the mirror.
Doing that. Oh, that's not how you do it. Right to the eye. Oh. I said the lab.
The
Bounce
mirror
back to the
is
eye.
smooth.
All right.
Shiny.
Understand my feet.
It's not blue.
Yeah, all right. So, we are going to, yeah, we have a little bit more. Oh. We're gonna skip this. So now, why should Aaron and Marcus use instead of mirrors a sheet of aluminum foil or a mirror? A sheet of aluminum foil or a wooden chopping board?
Aluminum. Aluminum foil.
Explain why you chose this surface.
Because it's
Because
shiny and you can
shiny
see
just like
that
a mirror.
it's not smooth.
Yes, that is right. We're just gonna have an imaginary light source. It goes over their eyes like this. You guys are getting the hang of it. Now, how do you think people looked at the reflection before there were mirrors?
They look at diamonds.
They look smooth. Not diamond. It just looks smooth.
The water
You
fountain
saw
Diamonds are shiny. They
That is
can
like
reflect
their own
our faces.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mr. Down South is running his car into the preview.
Okay, I'm no.
Never mind.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
today, I hope you guys had a good class and see you guys. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Ew,
Today
just
we didn't have.
kidding.
Hello, Queen.
Oh yeah, guys, prepare for
Hello, the Queen of
ongoing
Thailand.
Do you have homework?
our homework for today. You guys could I think we don't. Wait. You can
I don't have homework. I have homework. I have homework.
We have a queen named Queen Fanny.
guys. Bye.